Now, Wisconsin law is finally catching up with technology by expanding the definition of stalking.
Closing a loophole that until now, as News 8 Now's Amy DuPont explains, left victims unable to get much help.
When COVID-19 closed down courtrooms, the criminal justice system went online.
State versus Carmen Dunham.
Now prosecutors can use some of the same technology to charge suspects using it to harass and scare their victims.
Almost every stalking case has some element of electronic communication. That's just how people communicate.
A new Wisconsin law expands the definition of stalking to include sending text messages and social media messages and posts to the intended victim, as well as the victim's family, friends, and coworkers.
These days, it seems like one way to harass someone is to just put things out there where you kind of know that they'll see it, but it's not a direct message.
La-Crosse County District Attorney Tim Grinke charges roughly 50 suspects with stalking each year.
In count one, you're charged with stalking.
Including Carmen Dunham, who investigators say left dozens of unwanted letters, cards, gifts, food, and condoms outside the door of a neighbor he dated for less than 2 months.
It does reach a point where it can be almost overtaking your life and it becomes all-consuming, that you're constantly on the lookout for a person sending you a message that's either threatening or just embarrassing.
Victim advocates expect the new law will lead to more arrests.
Yes, definitely.
And more justice for victims who until now could do little to stop harassment online.
It means a lot, just because it is really hard to prove stalking in some of our cases.
These are serious charges. Do you understand that?
As for Mr. Dunham,
Yes.
he's out of jail, ordered to attend his next court hearing virtually from inside his own home. In La-Crosse, Amy DuPont, News 8 Now.
Under Wisconsin law, stalking is a felony punishable by up to 3.5 years behind bars.